The Charlie Brown Christmas Special first aired on CBS on December 9, 1965. The network bigwigs were expecting a disaster, having seen the finished product 3 weeks prior to its debut. They were convinced that the combination of the slower-paced, somewhat flawed animation, the scratchy-voiced recordings of the novice child actors, and the religious references in the story would turn off television viewers. They were wrong. In fact, half the households with televisions watched A Charlie Brown Christmas that year, and it has gone on to become a holiday favorite for 57 years and counting. Here are a few more fun facts about the special. Originally, having spurned offers for years, Peanuts creator Charles Schulz was not interested in animating his characters, saying, "There are some greater things in the world than TV animated cartoons." Eventually, he agreed to have the Peanuts gang appear in some Ford commercials, animated by Bill Melendez. Melendez went on to animate all the Peanuts cartoons. Second, originally the producers wanted to add a laugh track to the Charlie Brown Christmas Special, being that most cartoons at the time used laugh tracks. Schulz refused. And finally, the sponsors of A Charlie Brown Christmas, CBS and Coca-Cola, only paid a meager $76,000 for the special. Even in 1965, that was considered an embarrassing amount. The budget was so small that the team went $20,000 over that amount and still had less than half the money of the first animated Christmas special ever, Mr. Magoo's Christmas Carol from 1962. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, to learn how to draw a scene from A Charlie Brown Christmas and much more.